Top 3 most important things about money. Number 1. Investing in yourself. It is crucial to continuously invest in your knowledge, skills, and education. This allows us to create new sources of income and advance our careers. Number 2. Financial literacy. Understanding the basics of money, saving, investing, and managing debt helps us make wise financial decisions and ensures financial stability. Number 3. Allocation of funds. Diversifying our sources of income and investing in assets that generate income are key to building wealth and achieving financial independence. The most important about money? Invest in yourself, develop financial literacy, and smartly allocate your funds. Achieve financial success and build a better future. And finally, if you're interested in learning more, you can find the full video on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable content on financial success and personal growth. Thank you for watching.